This is quite the spot for you to U-turn out here.
No driving off of the pier. Sing the other part.
I came in like a wreck.
That's not even the right song.
Oh.
You're actually the worst person in the world. Who invited you? And we're back. We survived the sand dunes.
Yeah, almost didn't.
Somebody decided they were in the circus doing front flips and things.
Yeah, that was very interesting. I just watched a video just before we went there on riding in sand.
So that he was prepared with all of the tips and things.
Yeah. And I was like, I'm just gonna, it wasn't even a big hill. I was like, I'm just gonna go up and over top of this hill. And the front of the bike didn't even try to go over the hill. It tried to go through the hill.
Yeah. It's because it was so soft.
Yeah, the sand it's ridiculous. You stand in it and we were sinking a foot or more. But I went over it, like I took off and pinned it as soon as I hit, and that front tire just went straight.
I wish he would have let me know that he was going, because I would have got it from behind, because it was entertaining. And once I knew you were okay.
Yeah.
But it was pretty entertaining, the somersault that you did.
I hit the ground hard.
Yeah.
As you can see in the video,
Yeah.
as I can feel on my right side. It was sand, so at least it was fairly soft.
Yeah.
Nothing broke. I haven't actually looked inside my backpack. I have a long selfie stick in there and the water bladder, which is probably what hurt a little bit when I hit it.
Might have to find a different spot for that.
Yeah, or just not front flip off my bike.
Or that.
Yeah. But now it is time to go in for dinner, and we want to go out to the lighthouse. We never made it there today.
No, we thought we came back, we were going to try and extend and stay here for a couple more days, but the place is booked out, so we can't do that. So now we got to do our favorite thing and put our sweaty gear back on, and we're going to go out to the lighthouse, but it'll just be air conditioned. We've decided that that's one of the things that is a con. Not really a con, it's just a nuisance, I guess.
Yeah, it's one of my least favorite parts of riding the bike.
Yeah.
Is having to get dressed every time I want to leave and go somewhere, especially because I'm not interested in riding with no gear on.
No.
And as you can tell, like, it's very sandy here.
My feet.
Yeah, it'd be easy to jump on the bike and a pair of shoes and my shorts and cruise into town. But if I come around a corner, which I have done in Thailand, come around a corner and hit that sand on the corner and wipe out, I don't want to rip my leg up in the middle of Mexico. And
No.
so it's a pain because we are out of town a little bit. So to go in just for dinner, I have to get all dressed.
Yeah.
Not that it takes long, but then everything's still wet from sweating.
Mm-hmm.
It smells fantastic.
Smells fresh.
Yeah, so.
But it's all part of it. We just have to, we should have planned to stay here for a couple more days or plan ahead a little bit, but we don't.
Ever.
It's just what we do. And so if we have to put sweaty gear on and go see something that we want to see, then that's what we do. And if not, then we just eat noodles and don't go out. There's two options.
And I'm not eating noodles tonight.
No.
So.
But those are, like, generally we would plan it and either have somewhere close that we could walk to, or we would have got dinner earlier, or we would have left later to go to the sand dunes and stuff so that we could just hit everything on the way back.
It worked out.
Yep, that's okay. We got some to cool down, got to shower.
Yeah, had my first shower of the day. I'll have my second shower when we come back.
Yep, had a little snack, drank lots of water.
Yeah.
And now we'll head out and go do it again.
Yeah. Let's go to the lighthouse, go get food, go to Waldo's.
Yep. Check, check, check.
Perfect.
We'll see you on the road again.
Yeah.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. We're off again.
Turning right.
hot for that. Oh, cool. Oh, that lighthouse looks like it's seen better days.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it lights or houses anymore.
No.
I almost think there's people that live out here still.
Maybe.
Huh. Cool beans. I want my picture on the end of this pier. Yep, I do. Fly, birds, fly. Don't drive off the pier.
No, no driving off of the pier.
This is quite the spot for you to U-turn out here.
Well, I'm probably just gonna push it.
Cool. Very cool.
And brakes.
Yes, please.
They work. My bike doesn't swim. He doesn't trust you? This puppy's coming to say hi. Would you like to be pet?
Look at this boat coming with the birds. This one over here.
Oh yeah. They're pretty good at staying with it. Those dunes are super cool over there. That guy without
driving off the edge.
Very, very cool.
That was an interesting little spot.
Oh, look at all the pelicans. There's like 5 of them.
They're pelicaning.
Yeah, waiting for the fish.
Wonder what this is.
Oh yeah, that's very new.
Yeah. So from what I read, this is where they used to load the salt. Not for very long though, and then they moved to better and new areas.
Would be a long haul for them, like unnecessary.
Yes, yes it would be.
ya. I only got away faster because you were still stopped. Didn't have your glove on.
I think we just ordered here. Hola. ¿Puedo tener 2 tacos? Sí. Y 2 quesadillas. Let me know how spicy they are.
It's spicy.
Before I go full refrigerator on it.
Yeah, don't go full refrigerator on it.
Dinner is over. I think this is the latest we've ever, or the darkest at least, we've ever driven. Are you even on there, my love? It's not that dark in here, it's beautiful.
It looks like we're in a Halloween show.
It's a wonderful little place.
It is, there's just not very much light.
That's what happens when it's nighttime when you do things.
Yeah. It was a good day.
It was a very good day.
Yeah.
My face planted in the dirt.
Yeah.
I got to do some donuts on the bike, which were super fun.
Yeah, I got to kick up a lot of dirt
Oh,
with
yeah.
the tire.
Spun that thing.
Make another dune from all the dirt that I spun.
And then we got to go do the sunset. Well, sunset-ish. We left before the sun completely set.
Yeah.
Because we wanted to get into town because everything said that restaurants were closed and I was hungry. But don't worry, we went for dinner and I'm still hungry. So
Yeah. We had tacos. But the pier was really nice.
yeah, it was the sunset place. The drive out there and the drive back was really nice with the sun going down. It was beautiful.
Well, and watching the boats come in with all the birds and stuff was neat.
Yeah, it was.
Yep.
I enjoyed it out there.
I liked it.
Very cool place.
I thought it was going to be a lot more back roady on the road out there.
No, they were grading it. It was
Yeah.
all nice.
Yeah,
The mine must take care of it for the
I would think so.
fishermen out there.
Yeah. We didn't go to the actual lighthouse because it looked like somebody lives there. So,
Yeah, there's a house attached to it and they had clothes hanging and
Yeah.
I'm not going to go wander around their yard or where they're at. So, and now we're going through all the footage and getting everything organized, charging everything for tomorrow to take off from here.
one more sleep.
Yep. And
So
then,
much yawning.
yeah, always when I start talking. I don't know why.
Your brain just needs more oxygen.
Maybe. Go through everything now, organize it all, get everything ready so tomorrow we can just pack up and get out of here when it's time.
Yeah, because this place is a disaster right now. Our stuff is all over the place. As per usual.
And there's sand everywhere because somebody did a dive in the sand and brought half the desert back with us.
Yeah. And it's just, when we were out in the desert, he went to move his belt and sand just came out of it. So as soon as he took his stuff off here, it was all over the place.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I have a different definition of awesome.
So if you enjoyed all of our activities today, I enjoyed them.
I enjoyed them too. Please like, share, subscribe, all of the things. We would really appreciate it.
Yeah, we would.
Yep.
Very much so. And we will see you tomorrow when
Yeah.
you leave here.
See you in the next video. Bye. Again.
What? Where am I going?
You're the worst.